Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to grow your TikTok or Instagram audience in the USA without facing that dreaded shadow ban, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the best practices for targeting a US audience while staying in the algorithm's good grace. So let's jump right in. First of all, understand what the shadow ban algorithm. First, let's talk about the shadow bans. Both TikTok and Instagram use algorithms to detect and penalize accounts that violate community guidelines. This can include excessive spamming, using misleading hashtags, or violating content rules. And shadow banning limits the reach of your posts without officially notifying you, making it harder for new followers to find your content. Next, to target US audience, use location-specific hashtags. So, location-specific hashtags is key. Hashtags like the US, American vibes, New York content, or NYC content will help your content get discovered by the US users. But remember, do not get overboard. Stick to 5 to 10 hashtags relevant to your niche. Go ahead and click the plus button. Let's say, for example, I'm posting this picture. Hit next at the bottom right, and then go ahead and add the US, right, or USA, okay, and then add American vibes, right, and add another hashtag NYC content. Okay. So make sure that you stick to 5 to 10 hashtags relevant to your niche and location. All right. Timing is crucial, which is a perfect segue to my next step. The best times to post for the US audience are typically between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. Eastern time. Use tools like Instagram Insights. All right, you can go back right here, close this. All right, close, and you can go right here, click your profile at the bottom right, click your post, for example, and you're gonna click the 3 dots at the top right, and you're gonna be able to see the analytics, right? You're gonna be able to see somewhere, not here, of course. Let me close this. Yeah, I think somewhere. Yeah, let me go back, right, and switch to my account because it's a business account, right? Like this, right? Go ahead to the professional dashboard in order to see what's the best time to post in the US, right? And as you can see right here, you're gonna see the professional dashboard, and you're gonna see the views, right? And you're gonna see basically for your content and how much engagement you gained from posting a reel or picture or stories. Okay, create region targeted content. So basically the views allows you to know when to post best. Okay, create region targeted content. Create content that resonates with US trends, culture, interest, and this includes popular US songs and audio clips, right, which you can use to your reel, right? So let's say, for example, I'm adding this one, hit next, and then add the music right here at the bottom left, okay? And you're gonna see the new trending music, right? And you can use, of course, the American holidays, right, like Christmas, right, or current trends, and references to US cities, states, or cultures. Tailoring your content to the US audiences will signal to the algorithm that you're targeting them specifically, which boosts your chances of getting shown to more people in that region. Okay, next, engage with the US users. By the way, that applies to also to your TikTok posts, right? Engage with the US audience. So engagement with is crucial for growing your audience and avoiding a shadow ban, right? You can go ahead and search right here at the top, right, and type the hashtag US, right, and you're gonna see the trending. Go ahead and right here, USA to be exact, right? Make sure that you engage with other people, right? Responding to comments on your posts or other people's posts, liking and commenting on US based content, and engaging with local influencers and creators, of course, by staying active within by staying active with the US TikTok or Instagram ecosystem. You show the algorithm that you are part of the community, or you're willing to be a part of that community, right? And next, avoid risky practices. To stay safe from Shadowbanned, make sure that you avoid using banned or relevant hashtags, especially on TikTok or Instagram, spamming your followers with repetitive content, using clickbait or misleading descriptions, or mass following or mass liking to boost engagement. These behaviors raise red flags for the algorithm, which can result in a shadow ban. Next, focus on quality, not quantity. Both platforms value good or quality content. Instead of churning out of ton of posts, focus on creating high quality, engaging videos or images that resonate with your US audience. The more valuable your content is to the viewers, the more likely it is to be shared and seen. Okay? Next, use analytical skills. Click your profile, and as we mentioned before, make sure that you use your analytics. You can see right here the insights from the views perspective, interactions, new followers, or content you shared. You can go ahead to see the views, right? And basically from there you can track your performance with TikTok's professional account or Instagram's insight, right? You can go ahead into your TikTok, right? Let me go back. If you want to see your own analytics, go ahead and click your profile, right? And you're gonna be able right here to see YouTube Studio, and you're gonna see your analytics from here. You can click view all next to the analytics, right? And you're gonna see how many views you gained in the last 7 days, right? And that's how you can target a US audience on TikTok and Instagram in 2025 without risking a shadow ban. Make sure to follow these best practices to stay in the algorithm's good books while reaching the right people. If this video helped you out in any way, do not forget to like and subscribe and comment below with your TikTok and Instagram growth tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.